A solar storm, also known as a solar flare or a coronal mass ejection CME, is a massive explosion in the sun's atmosphere. These storms occur when magnetic energy that has built up in the solar atmosphere is suddenly released. They involve a very broad spectrum of emissions, an energy release of typically 1x1020 joules to 1x1025 joules, and ejection of several 10 million tons of solar plasma. Solar storms are categorized into three types: solar flares, proton events, and geomagnetic storms. Solar flares are brief eruptions of intense high-energy radiation from the sun's surface. Proton events are another type of solar activity associated with solar flares, where protons emitted impact the Earth's magnetosphere. Geomagnetic storms are temporary disturbances of the Earth's magnetosphere caused by solar wind. The effects of solar storms can be beautiful and awe-inspiring, but they can also be incredibly destructive. They can cause spectacular auroras, disrupt satellite systems, and even cause power outages on Earth. The Northern Lights, also known as aurora borealis, are a natural light display predominantly seen in the high-latitude regions around the Arctic and Antarctic. The lights are caused by disturbances in the magnetosphere caused by solar wind. These disturbances alter the trajectories of charged particles in the magnetospheric plasma. These particles, mainly electrons and protons, precipitate into the upper atmosphere. The resulting ionization and excitation of atmospheric constituents emit light of varying color and complexity. The lights are seen around the magnetic poles of the northern and southern hemispheres. They are known as aurora borealis in the north and aurora australis in the south. The northern lights can be seen in several places around the world. Some of the best places to view the lights include Fairbanks, Alaska. Due to its location, Fairbanks is one of the best places in the U.S. to view the northern lights. It has a number of great viewing spots, including the University of Alaska Fairbanks and Chenna Hot Springs Resort. Troms, Norway. Troms is located in the middle of the Northern Lights Oval, which is the area with the highest probability of seeing the lights. Plus, the Gulf Stream keeps the city relatively warm for its latitude. Kiruna, Sweden. This small town is home to the Ice Hotel and the northernmost settlement with a railway station. It's a great place to see the northern lights between November and March. Reykjavik, Iceland. While you can see the lights from the city, it's best to move away from the lights to avoid light pollution. The Grotto Lighthouse is a popular spot. Yellowknife, Canada. Canada's Northwest Territories offers some of the best views of the northern lights. The location offers clear nights and flat lands, perfect for viewing. Remember, the northern lights are a natural phenomenon and sightings can never be guaranteed as they are influenced by solar activity and weather conditions. But with a bit of luck and clear skies, you will be treated to one of nature's most spectacular shows.